Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today on Whole Cooking Time, we are going to make some nice spicy barbecue chicken. So if you want to learn this recipe, please stay tuned and let's get straight into the video. So guys, in my bowl I have my chicken. I have already cleaned it with lime and vinegar. So now we're just going to season our chicken. So the first thing I'm going in with is some all-purpose seasoning. A list will be in the description box with all the ingredients that I use. Now we're just going in with some garlic powder, add in some Maggi chicken seasoning. Then we're going to add some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. You can use any seasoning of your choice, but these are the ones that I prefer. Just add in some onion powder. Then I'm just going to add my complete seasoning. Now we're just going to add our crushed red pepper sauce, so you can use any spicy sauce of your choice. So this is the one that I'm using. Mixing everything together. I want the seasons to get straight into the chicken. Then I'm just going to add some egg powder and paprika for color. Now that my chicken is nicely seasoned, now we're just going to cover it and place it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. So guys, I have taken out my chicken. Right now we're just going to place our chicken on our oven rack. So I have already lined my baking sheet with some aluminum foil to catch any drippings. So we're just placing our chicken. You can just space it evenly distributed so that the heat can go through the chicken properly. Then we're just going to place our chicken in the oven. So after 20 minutes, this is how our chicken looks. So now we're just going to turn them on the other side so that they can bake properly. While our chicken is in the oven, we're just going to make our spicy barbecue sauce. For my sauce, I'm going to go in with 1 cup of ketchup. Then I'm just going to add 1 tablespoon of guava jelly or guava jam. Going in with my crushed red pepper sauce. Guys, you can use any spicy sauce of your choice. So this is the one I'm using. Going in with 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Then 1 tablespoon of honey. Add in 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. You can use any vinegar of your choice. You can also use the apple cider vinegar. We're just going to mix everything together, get it nicely combined. So guys, you can add lime juice to your sauce as well. It gives it a nice flavor. Now that everything is nicely combined, we're going to put it on the stove, let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. I just added some spicy sauce. I wanted it to have a little more kick. You can adjust the taste according to your liking. After a total of 5 minutes, this is how my sauce is looking. It's nice and thick. Now that our sauce is ready, we're just going to remove it. After another 20 minutes, this is how our chicken looks. It is nice and juicy. So now we're just going to coat our chicken in our sauce. Just coating our chicken in our spicy barbecue sauce. Then we're just going to place it back in the oven for 10 minutes so that the sauce can thicken. So after a total of 10 minutes in the oven, our chicken is nicely done. It is all ready. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't done that already. Thank you so much for watching and thank you for supporting my channel. Until I see you next time, bye guys.